What's up, guys? Robbie here. We're now 1 day past the Bitcoin halving, and the price really has not moved much. In this video, I'm going to talk about why the price hasn't moved much, what we're trying to do, and where the Bitcoin price could be going in a bullish scenario and a bearish scenario here coming up. Okay, so let's get started. So last night on Twitter, I posted, looks like we could be testing 8800 soon again. The current price was at 86.50, and as we can see right here, the current price at 88.04. So we did end up testing the 8800 last night. We went to like 88.89 actually. Now we're testing back down, and the reason being is it looks like we're making an ascending triangle here. And what an ascending triangle is basically you have support pushing up, but then you have resistance staying the same, making this type of triangle here. And this is a very interesting pattern to be seeing here, but it's not uncommon. These could also be continuation patterns on the way down, but it looks like we're gonna have a reversal pattern here on the way up. This in a bullish scenario. I mean, this would be pretty good here. If we can look right here at the volume per volume range, we can see that we did end up creating a ton of support at this area between 8500 and 8800, and we can see that above that there's not really much. It's gonna be really easy to break up. It looks like the resistance that's really gonna be hard is this 9200 area, and we see right here in the infancy of this pattern, we did almost hit that area and we did fail. But that, again, infancy of the pattern, longer the pattern plays out, the more momentum it has, the easier it is for it to act. So the way you really get let me just show you guys an example here. So here's an example. This guy Stefan, this is a really good example. He put this on TradingView. He posted this. This is a bullish reversal at support and a downtrend. So here's a trend going down, bounces in between right here, breaks out, return to breakout, and it goes up. And if we look here, broke down, and now we're in this triangle, and we're gonna see if we're gonna get this break up. As we see down here, volume is pretty much declining for the most part, and that's good because declining volume means a more explosive breakout, like what happened here. As we saw when we were at 10K, this volume kind of went down, boom, broke out, went down. So we're seeing a decline in volume again towards the end of this pattern. We can see our RSI starting to build up here. It's not getting overbought, it's not oversold. This is what's called the neutral zone. So everything is kind of lining up here for another test. If you want to get the target here, what you do is you just draw a line here from the mouth of the triangle. So the mouth would be like basically the first 2 points of contact right here, where it really made the pattern, and that'd be right here. And all you do is you just add it to the top, and we can see that a breakout target would be around 96, 97, which would eventually, just logically, is going to take us back to those 10K levels. And what looks cool here, let me zoom out here. Actually, let me see if I can go to the daily time frame, get a way better picture of this here. So the descending triangle here and this upward channel that we're in, ascending triangle, they're converging. We're having a convergence here, which means that if we break out of this triangle and we hit that 99 or 97, $100 area again, it means that we're gonna have to break out. We're basically gonna have to break out of this triangle that we created in the very long term. So if we break out of that triangle, that should create an explosive breakout, which at the very least, that wouldn't be considered explosive. At the very least, it would touch the top of our rising channel that we've been making here. Like I said in my last video, we've been making this channel here, and we actually tested it twice, and it did hold support. And look, we hit it 3 times at the top right here. So if we break out of this triangle, the big long-term one that's been going on for years, right here, that would mean that at least, at the very minimum, we're gonna touch this again. I mean that's gonna be about 10,500. Okay, and at 10,500, this is a rejection point. I mean, this has been a rejection point multiple times in the past. Get a line right here. Let's go to 10,500, be around right. Let's just call it right here, right? We can see that right here we had a big consolidation fail. We had a wick right there fail. We had that fail. So we can see that it is a big rejection zone. So the top of this channel right here is really going to be tested right now. But with, you know, the explosiveness that should come out of this big triangle, we should actually pass through that 10,500 zone, and we should be making some new highs here. You know, it's gonna be pretty interesting to see. Like I said, we probably are gonna go up, but let's look at a bear scenario here, because nothing always goes straight up, and people make money both ways. You know what I'm saying? Like, you make money going down, make money going up. So let's see what the bears are really seeing right now. So, and then we also have this resistance of this cloud here, which I'm gonna get into right now as well. So, in a bear scenario, the bears are gonna play this ascending triangle as a continuation. And the ascending triangle is one or the other, and you're gonna see if the support falls out, then boom, continuation. If the resistance falls out, boom, reversal. You don't know until it happens, right? So, bearish scenario, right? It breaks down. Let's say we break down. First off, we're in this upward channel. So we would test this bottom channel support, which currently is at $8,300. So if you're in any leverage positions, I'd make sure that your liquidation price isn't too close to 8,300. I would try to push that lick price a little bit down, maybe to the $7,900, $7,800 level, just in case. You know what I'm saying? Because this support right here has proved support right here, and multiple times in the past. So if it does break down, it would hold. And it's kind of illogical right here. It's illogical right here for bears to play this down because of this strong support under them. It would almost make no sense. So that's why it's very probable that this will play out as a bullish scenario, because there's a lot less to go up than down here. The selling pressure would have to be a lot. Okay? So, we do have this red cloud here, which has proved resistance right here and right here. So let's just see if we're going to break out of it. I mean, right here, we just saw Bitcoin had like a $50 move, nothing too serious. But we are getting to the end of this triangle pattern, which means something is about to happen. Volume is declining. And yeah, I mean, it's bull or bear's way, but it looks more bullish than bearish. And, I hope you guys, have some good luck on your trades here. Please like, please subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Check out my Twitter here, Robbie Crypto, at Robbie Crypto. I put out pictures like this, every so often. I try to help you guys out. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you again next time.